G'day guys, Josh here from Unsealed 4x4, and here we have Uniden's UPP1000 Jumpstart Kit. Now it costs about $200, and as you can see it is a bit smaller than a lot of the other brands that you can get at Super Cheap and the like. The UPP1000 is a 10,000 mAh battery pack. Now Uniden claimed that it has a 1000 discharge life cycle, so that should be plenty. Uniden also state that it should be powerful enough to be able to start a car multiple times on just one charge, and that it can start cars that have engines up to 7 litre capacity petrols and 5 litre capacity diesels. Uniden say that it has a 500 amp hour start current and a 1000 amp hour peak current. The Uniden Jumpstart Kit also comes with something called Smart Clamp Protection. Now this means that it will protect your vehicle from short circuits, overload, over discharge, over voltage, low voltage, temperature, reverse charging, and reverse connect, because we've all done that once or twice. So you can use it with peace of mind on your 4x4. Uniden say that the UPP1000 is safe to charge smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other devices quickly and safely. Uniden also say that the UPP1000 comes with an IP67 waterproof protection, and it's also shockproof. Now you don't just get jump starter leads with the UPP1000, you also get 3 different USB cables, and in the end, a handy torch which has 3 different modes. Luckily for us, we have the perfect vehicle to test the Uniden UPP1000. In the car park, one of our Amaroks has been sitting there for almost a month with the battery dead as a doorknob. So we're going to see whether this can get it going again. So we're down here with our four-wheel drive, and it has a dead battery. It's currently reading 1.16 volts, so the Uniden jump starter shouldn't work, but we're going to give it a go anyway.
So Josh, how'd it go?
As we expected, it didn't work.
Yep, all the way. What the hell?
To my surprise, the Uniden Jump Starter Kit actually worked. It brought this dead battery to life and got this Amarok rolling. So we let it run for about 5 minutes, and now the battery's reading about 12.11 volts. So we think that it's just going to keep on dropping off, but we're impressed that it got it going at all. So for a handy little get out of jail free card in the outback with a dead battery, it's a good bit of kit.